Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record your computer screen, your webcam, and record your voiceover using Filmora 10. So, is there any difference between Filmora 9 and Filmora 10 screen recorder? No, the same. By the way, many of you will just download Filmora 10 and you don't know where is the screen recording software inside this video editor. So I'm just want to make this tutorial for beginners. So for those of you who already know about this, just skip the video. Okay, so now I'm inside Filmora 10 now. In order to record your computer screen, your webcam or your audio, there's some way you can do that. Firstly, you can click on File and then you can go to Record Media. Now here you have the option to record your webcam, record PC screen, or record a voiceover. And the other option is to go to Media and then go to Project Media, and you see here there's a record button here, and then you can click on this drop down menu. You can start with a record from webcam first. Let's click on that. Okay, so here is the webcam recording function in Filmora 10. So you have some option here. Firstly, the video device, which is the webcam you are going to use for your recording. This is a built-in webcam on my laptop, and I have some other webcam here. For example, the Logitech HD webcam, I can select it. It's a USB webcam. So this is the webcam that I'm going to use. For the resolution, you can select different preset resolution right here. For example, we can go with the 720p here. And this is the audio option. Audio option meaning that which audio you want to use. You can also select at this drop down menu. So this is this audio. So I'm going to use this one for this recording, just a test. Okay, and this is, I can select this. For the frame rate, it's up to your webcam. This webcam only allow me to record up to 30 frames per second. For other camera like my DSLR, it allow me to capture up to 60 frames per second. So selecting the FPS depends on your webcam. For example, normally I will select 30 frames per second for my software tutorial. So let's click on this record time here, and you can start by press the spacebar button. Click here and there's a countdown. You see here, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm recording my webcam. So this is a webcam recording function in Filmora 10. I'm going to stop now. Okay, stop. Okay, so that is how you can record your webcam, and all this file will be saved in a folder where you can access to by right click and review in Explorer. So it will be in a recorder folder at the installation drive where you install Filmora. Okay, so let's close. Another option, you can select record a PC screen right here. That is the option I normally use when I want to make a software tutorial using Filmora 10. Okay, so this is the recording toolbars of Filmora 10. So you see here the webcam is enabled, and we can turn it off here by the recorder camera stream here. Just for now, I will turn it off. Okay, so here we have a full screen function, and click on this drop down menu. You have the full screen function and custom area and target window. If you select a custom area, then you can select that you can just 1 second, you can use this button at the center to move this area around the screen. That is a custom area. You can also select a target window, an opening window on your computer. But for now, we can go ahead to full screen. So the full screen will be the size of your computer screen. This is the audio from your system sound. We can select the headset, or we can select the speaker. It's up to you. And this is the microphone. So the same with the setting for your webcam recording. We can also select my headset here, or stereo from microphone from your computer, or other microphone if available here. So for now, we can select the Dell Pro stereo headset right here. Down here you have the option to select the saving location for your screen recording, but we can leave it by default, so default in the installation folder. Okay, and the frame rate, you can see here, you can select up to 60 frames per second, but normally with Filmora I just select 30 frames per second because I'm going to make a software tutorial. But for those of you who want to record a gameplay or something like that, you need to record maybe a 60 frames per second. Okay, and we can also select the quality: good, bad, better, and best. So we always go with best. And record timer, stop recording after, maybe we can set a time for it, but I think this function is not useful, it is useless. And for the mouse cursor, we have some preset here, 1 2 3 4, so we can maybe go with the red one, and it is not customizable in after we recorded the video, so we need to select it here. And also remember to play the mouse click sound or not, because this is important. Filmora screen recorder will record your mouse click together with the system sound. So if you want to record your mouse click, it will mix into the audio track of the system sound, so you cannot separate the mouse click and the audio later. So remember, keep in mind that it is important to select mouse click recording or not. Okay, and you have there's some option here for the hotkey, and once you are ready, there's nothing more here, we can click on record. Okay, and also there's a countdown here, and it is a screen recording in Filmora 10. As you can see that I have my mouse on the screen, and you see now I'm going to stop, and we can press F9 or F10 to stop, or we can find it at the notification area here. I'm going to double click and click on stop. So now it will save a recording in the media file in Filmora 10 video editor. Okay, so it will be in the media folder. Now that's it. So that's just how you can record your computer screen using Filmora 10. And the last option, to record a voiceover, you can click here to record a voiceover. Okay, and here's a recording voiceover option in Filmora 10, and you can also record any device here. If you have any microphone attached to your computer and input audio, and then you can press your spacebar button to start your recording. Hello, and this is a voiceover in Filmora 10. Now you see that the playhead is playing, and according to the voiceover. Now I'm going to stop by pressing the spacebar button. Okay, now this is a voiceover. Okay, so that is very easy, right? That is how you can record your computer screen, your webcam, and your voiceover using Filmora 10. For those of you who want to learn more about Filmora 10, let's click here or click here. I will put the tutorial for beginner here. And if you want to purchase this software to remove watermark in free version, go ahead to the description. I have 20% discount coupon code for you to use to save your money. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hello, and this is a voiceover in Filmora 10. Now you see that the playhead is playing, and according to the voiceover. Now I'm going to stop by pressing the spacebar button. Hello, this is a webcam recording in Filmora 10. Just a test. Hey, hi. This is a webcam recording in Filmora 10 with my Canon 800D as a webcam. So I use this DSLR as a webcam. I hope the video quality is better. Let's stop. And this is the recording with PC screen. So I don't know why my webcam is something wrong with my webcam, but the video is still recording. And I think I speak a little bit too low. I can speak louder to make the voice better. Okay, let's stop.